Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to screen record on laptop. To start, open an app in Windows. When doing so, combine the Windows plus G keys. This will open the Xbox bar where you see the recording options. After this, from Start, open Settings. Here in Gaming, click on Game Bar. You are going to confirm that the switch, Allow your controller to open Game Bar, is active and that the key combination on all shortcuts is correct. Go back to Games and click on Captures. From this section, it will be possible to make a set of settings for our screen recording. We will adjust these as necessary. Open the app again and combine the Windows plus G keys. After that, click Start Recording and you will be able to see the recording counter on the screen. When you consider necessary, stop the recording. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, go to the Captures folder located under Videos so you can see the screen recording you have made. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.